কি পাপা এটা কি বললে? কি বাবা এটা? পেন। আচ্ছা ওকে, এবার তো একটু পড়াশোনা করতে হবে শোনা। হ্যাঁ, তো লকডাউন পিরিয়ডে তুমি তো বুঝতেই পারছো দাদাগুলো পড়াশোনা করতে পারছে না, ওদেরকে একটু পড়াতে হবে, তো শুধু তোমাকে পড়ালে হবে তাই না? ওকে, তো আমরা চলো লেটস গো। হ্যাঁ, আমরা পড়াশোনা শুরু করি। ওকে। Hello friends, today I will teach you pure bending and bending moment equation. Okay, before starting this chapter, I would like to tell you something. In my previous lecture, I have already completed beam and its type, also the assumption of beam. Okay, but actually I would like to add something else here. When we apply the beam in industrial field, the weight of the beam is neglected. Okay, obviously beam will be uniform cross section. Okay, and also always the mechanical equilibrium condition when we apply the beam in structural engineering as well as in applied mechanics. So let's go, we'll start that pure bending, and after that we will finishing that chapter with by bending moment equation. Pure bending, it is very important to bending moment. Okay, actually for assumption of beam, already I have discussed throughout the whole length that beam will be uniform cross section. Okay, that uniform cross section, from that uniform cross section we can cut a transverse section, but in this transverse section also in the beam, total beam, we can call sometimes pure bending. When we can call the pure bending, it is important. Actually, come on that point, beam is subjected to constant maximum bending moment. I mean that beam, in the beam, that applied bending moment will be remain constant, and also it will be in maximum level. Okay, and at that moment there will be no shear force will acting on that section or throughout the beam. Oh, okay, then come to the point, another thing we have to keep in mind, it will be pure bending when we call that the maximum bending stress for that part also remain constant. Now I am trying to just solving the bending moment equation. Bending moment equation equal to actually m by I equal to f by y equal to e by r. Okay, m equal to bending moment, I equal to moment of inertia, and f equal to bending stress, and y equal to the distance from the two layer mainly, e equal to modulus of elasticity, r equal to radius of curvature. Okay, just look up here, it is the section of this is just representing from the beam. Okay, here I representing A, B and CD as a transverse section, and NL that is here representing the neutral axis, and here I am just taking another layer, that is EF. This EF actually the distance from the neutral layer to EF layer, that is Y, this distance. Okay, and in this transverse section it is the bending moment is applied here. Okay, this bending moment is applied. Okay, and this is the distance from the B to D equal to representing del X. Okay, so as that NL equal to neutral layer, that is denoted by del X. Actually, neutral layer does not undergo any change in length after bending. It has come from the assumption of beam. Okay, so as that I can say NL, neutral layer, equal to N dot L. After applied the bending moment, this transverse section actually converted into like this one. Okay, so as that it is the point of origin, and after bending it is that A converted into A dash, and C converted to C dash, and B converted to B dash, and D converted to D dash. Okay, so as that that N dot L dot, and it is E dot F dot. So after bending, the distance of these two layers also remains same, that is Y, and from that origin to the neutral axis the length here representing the radius of curvature, that is r. Okay, so as that we can say O n dash equal to r, and also I can say that O e dash equal to r plus y. Here O a dash and O c dash actually making an angle, that is a dash O c dash, that is angle is representing theta. Okay. After applied that bending moment to here, that will be converted into just like this section. That is totally here bend section is just shown here. So as that this is that the O2 when dash, this is the R. Okay, this is the radius of curvature, and before applying that moment, I mean bending moment, that length of the layer EF equal to del x equal to actually r theta. Okay, and E dot F dot equal to the length, E dot F dot is the length after applying that bending moment, so as that its length will be r plus y into theta. Okay, so strain will be change of length by original length. This is the change of length by original length. Okay, so change of length equal to r plus y into theta minus r theta by r theta. Okay, that is equal to y by r. Okay, so F equal to the bending stress. F equal to bending stress from Hooke's law. It is known to us that stress by strain equal to modulus of elasticity. Okay, so as thus F by epsilon equal to the strain. Okay, actually, so F by epsilon equal to capital E. So F equal to E into epsilon. So epsilon equal to y by r. So F equal to E into y by r. This is one portion. From here I can write down F by y equal to E by r. This is one part of equation number 1. Okay. Now I considering that the moment of inertia. Okay. Where I equal to moment of inertia, that is I equal to integration of y square dA. Okay. Now I am just considering a small section, that is area equal to del A. Area is del A. Okay. And from the neutral axis to its distance is y. Also, it is known to us that stress equal to force by area. Force means here internal force. Okay, so we can write down force equal to stress into area. So already we have find out that F equal to E into YR. This F equal to E into YR, just putting here. Okay, in this case of stress, and area is for that small section, that is del A. Now the bending moment of elementary strip, that is del M equal to E into Y by R into del A into Y. Okay, so integrating of this part, we have find out that this, already I have told you that this portion integration of y square del A equal to I. So integrating this part, we have find out M. So M equal to E by R into I. So from that I have find out M by I equal to E by R. That is equation number 2. From this equation number 1 and equation number 2, we have just can write down M by I equal to F by Y equal to E by R. This is the bending moment equation. So dear student, must keep concentrations about this bending moment equation. It is very important for your exam. So carry on and follow my next lecture.